G'day Funko Fam, back with another one. Got some auction wins. Let's get into it. As I was saying, got some auction wins. Fridge and Jazz, the Funko Fridge, and Jazz over at Heaven House of Pop Culture ran a joint Instagram. Yes, I believe it was Instagram auction. So I decided to pick up some things. They did send them in the same box. I will link Fridge and Jazz down below. Go and check them out. Give them a follow. Subscribe. While I'm cutting this, please head down and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you are subscribing and a returner, thank you. Very, very appreciated. Okay, very well packed. I'll put this down here. We'll start with the first one. We've got DC Bombshells Joker. Special edition. This is the reason I attended Hot Topic Skateboard Pennywise. The only, other than the Deadlights, that came in a special bundle deal. I don't have the Deadlights Pennywise, but I've got, thanks to that, I've got pretty much all Pennywises, except the Deadlights one. I got the Suicide Squad Batman. I got Tailspin. The Shere Khan. I got Dean from Supernatural. A little bit late to the party, but I really want this whole line. Lafayette from True Blood. Mrs. is a massive True Blood fan, so I had to pick up this one for her. And then another variant of Kevin Smith. If you have not watched the other video with Funko Fridge's AOK, I got Silent Bob and talked about how much Kevin Smith is an influence. Again, if you have not checked out Comic Book Guys, very good. It's a series, I believe it on Stan. You can go and check it out, you won't be disappointed. But yeah, I can't remember which ones were in the Fridge's auction and which one was Jazz's auction, but I'll give you a 360 of them now. thanks for watching. Sidetracked, but today of the day of the recording, Fridge has just won. Last night he won a WA Made Field Festival, Viewer's Choice or People's Choice. So head over to his channel, click on the last one, his last video, and just congratulate him. It's a little late, but he's done a massive achievement with that. And from me, personally, I'd like to thank Fridge and Jazz and congratulate Fridge on that achievement. But unfortunately, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you've always got me in the back pocket. And until next time, Funko Fam, peace.